Welcome to Cooking with Katerina. We are all looking to eat healthier, and today I'm going to show you how to make hummus with my Simple Hummus Recipe. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this Simple Hummus Recipe. You'll need 2 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, and you want to rinse and drain them. You'll need 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, depending on how lemony you like it. I use fresh squeezed. It does make a difference. I used a half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. I also have 1 clove of garlic that I cut in half. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this all in our food processor. And it's going to mix for about 3 to 5 minutes. About 3 minutes, I'm going to stop the food processor and check for the consistency. I like mine to be very smooth. So what we're going to do now is put everything in the food processor and get it ready to go. So we'll stick our chickpeas in and lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, our salt, and garlic. And we will be back when I'm ready to check it. I mixed this for about 3 minutes, and I think it needs to go a little bit more, but I'm going to give it a taste here, because again, I like mine to be smooth. It is pretty smooth, but I'm going to let it mix up for another 2 more minutes. We'll be back. When my children were young, they always wanted some kind of snack in the evening. And I would try to think of something that was healthy and that would excite them. And one of the things I would do is cut up vegetables and put cheese and crackers on a plate, kind of make it like an hors d'oeuvre plate for them. And they would get so excited because they thought they were grown up. Well, here's what we've done with the hummus. I took my naan bread that I made in one of my other videos and made this hummus. Took about 5 minutes to blend in the food processor. And again, some people use tahini in their hummus. I do not. This is a very simple recipe that I'm sure you will enjoy. So now it's time to taste test. The other thing too, if you like more garlic, put in more garlic. If you like a little less lemon juice, put in what you like. That's what we do. This is amazing and perfect. So again, you can adjust it to the way you like it. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I would appreciate it if you would like and share with your family and friends. Also, check out the other videos that will be popping up on the screen. Maybe one of them will interest you, including the naan bread, which I love to make. In the meantime, keep on cooking.